the LG V20 user, and today I will be showing you guys how to block links in YouTube comments. So I'm sure most of you guys do get links in your comments on your videos. So if you guys want to block links entirely, this will be a great tutorial for you to do that. It's very simple. So this is a great idea if you guys get spam links in your comments, which I get spam links in my comments all the time and I'm tired of it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to block links on your comments on YouTube. This is a great tool. So yeah, it's very simple. Like I said, it's very simple. So what you want to do is go to your YouTube Creator Studio, click on settings, and then what you want to do when you get here, go to community, click on that. So once you get to community, you guys will have your moderators, your approved users there, and you go scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you guys will see blocked links. So you click on that, and it'll say here, if you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URL will be held for review. Live chat messages with URL will be blocked. This setting doesn't apply to you, moderators, or approved users. So if you guys have moderators on your comments, or if you have approved users, links will not be blocked for them. But if you don't have moderators or approved users listed, anyone that tries to press a link, the link will get blocked. So this is a great idea. So what you do is click on block links, then hit save. Of course, that's very important, is to hit save. If you guys don't, it will not apply it. So hit save, and there you go. This is a great way to combat spam links. I get spam links all the time and I'm tired of it. So this tutorial will hopefully help you guys out. I don't know why I didn't do anything about this a long time ago, but I'm now glad I figure it out. So yeah, that's how you guys block links on YouTube in your comments. This is a great way to eliminate spam links and stuff like that. And so yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.